Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off two-step verification on Gmail. So if you want to turn off 2FA on Gmail, it's pretty simple, so I'll show you guys exactly how to do it in this video today. Keep in mind though that it isn't actually the Gmail two-step verification that you're turning off. It's the your Google account's two-step verification that you're turning off because Google is using your Google or Gmail is using your Google account to make your Gmail. So to turn off two-step verification on Gmail, you have to turn it off on your Google account. By keeping that in mind, let's head over to your Google account by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen and look for the option that says manage your account. Now once you find this, you're going to want to go ahead and click on it. You'll be brought to myaccount.google.com. Now once you're on this page right here, you're going to want to go down and find the option for security, as you can see right here. If you can't find it, you can also search for it right here in the search bar. But once you find it, go ahead and click on it. It has a little lock key on the left side hand of it. Once you find it, you're going to be brought to this page here. You're going to scroll down and see the option for how you sign into Google. Once you find the option for how you sign into Google, you're going to want to look for two-step verification inside of this option right here. Now, as you can see, it's right here. So once you find it, go ahead and click on it, and it'll bring you to a new page right here. You might have to put in your password before it brings you to this page though, so make sure you have your password ready. Now, once it brings you to this page though, you're going to want to go ahead and just click turn off right here. If you click turn off two-step verification, that means by turning off two-step verification, you'll only use a password or passkey to sign in. Once you confirm that, you can just go ahead and click turn off. It'll load for a bit, and then it is now turned off. As you can see here, two-step verification is off. That is how you turn off two-step verification on email or Gmail. So I hope this video is helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.